Hi, I'm Princely. Watch this cartoon before the tutorial. Let's go. Hey guys, look at my new watch. My dad bought it from overseas. Maybe if I had cool things too, people would like me.
My child, people may gather around gifts, but they stay for genuine love. Be real, be kind, that is the greatest gift.
Why does everyone only come when I bring things? You don't need to buy friends. I can sit with you. You're giving me this, but it's your lunch. Friends share.
Gifts impress for a moment, but genuine love stays forever.
Now imagine creating emotional cartoon stories like this, without drawing a single character. Welcome back to Faceless AI Lab. I'm Princely. Let me show you exactly how I made this using artificial intelligence. If you're a storyteller, a content creator, or even a parent like me who wants to create meaningful stories for your child, this simple AI method can help you bring your imagination to life. First, I used ChatGPT to generate the story script for the cartoon. I simply asked it to write a minute emotional cartoon story that teaches love and genuine friendship between two children. Within seconds, it gave me a full story, including the dialogue, the characters, and even the moral lesson behind the story. Next, I moved over to Google Whisk to create my cartoon characters for free. Using detailed prompts, I generated my main characters in a 3D animated style, including their facial expressions and different poses to match each scene in the story. It's important to note, for character continuity, you must save your generated characters, and the character prompt should accompany the name behind the character or characters each time you're generating a scene. Once that was done, I used Grok generator to bring each character to life by simply using the images I generated with Google Whisk and copied and pasted the voice prompt from ChatGPT for each scene. I repeated this for all the scenes. Finally, I brought everything together inside my video editor CapCut by arranging the scenes, adding background music, sounds and smooth transitions to bring the entire story to life. And that's how I created this emotional AI cartoon from scratch using ChatGPT, Grok and Google Whisk. You can use this template to generate long videos using free AI tools. Watch my previous videos to learn a few more tricks for your YouTube channel. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Tutorial helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe. My name is Princely, and I'll see you in the next video.